Hey everyone, welcome back. So, you've probably heard the buzz. OpenAI has just dropped a new AI model, the GPT-o1. And get this, they claim it's 10 times smarter than GPT-4. You know what that means? We could be witnessing the dawn of a new era in AI. But is it all just hype? Or are we really looking at the smartest AI ever created? Stick around to find out, because today we're diving deep. Now, before we jump into the details, let's take a little step back. Just a year ago, GPT-4 was all the rage. It could write essays, debug code, and even hold conversations that felt, well, almost human. It was revolutionary in its own right. But we all knew there were limitations. Sometimes it felt like GPT-4 was smart, but not really intuitive. You know what I mean? And that's where GPT-o1 comes in. OpenAI's saying, this model is a game changer. They've improved everything from reasoning and memory to creativity and learning capacity. They're claiming it's not just an update, but a whole new level of intelligence. So naturally, we were skeptical, but intrigued. And of course, I had to get my hands on it to see if the hype is real. All right, so let's break it down. Here's what's really going on with GPT-o1. And let me tell you, it did not disappoint. First up, reasoning capabilities. This thing has the ability to connect concepts like we've never seen. You can give it a problem with a lot of moving parts, something that would take GPT-4 a few tries, and GPT-o1 nails it on the first shot. And when it comes to memory, GPT-o1 has a contextual memory that actually lets it remember details from way back in the conversation. If I mention something early on, it can bring that information back seamlessly later on. It's like chatting with a friend who remembers everything, not just the last couple of things you said. Creativity? Out of this world. I tried giving it some writing prompts that GPT-4 struggled with, and GPT-o1 crafted responses that felt almost like poetry. It even has this way of understanding tone better, which means it can switch from professional to casual to funny, whatever you need. But here's the kicker. GPT-o1 actually learns from past conversations with you. Yep, that's right. The more you interact with it, the more it tailors its responses to fit your preferences and style. It's like a personal assistant that gets smarter every time you use it. So, is GPT-o1 really 10 times smarter than GPT-4? Well, yes and no. It's definitely 10 times more impressive in how it handles complex tasks, remembers past conversations, and adapts creatively. But as with any new technology, there are still a few kinks to iron out. It occasionally gets a little too ambitious and might over-explain things. But hey, I'll take a slightly overexcited genius over a limited one any day. So, should you switch to GPT-o1 if you're already using GPT-4? Absolutely, especially if you rely on AI for anything in-depth or creative. It's a whole new world. And who knows what OpenAI has in store for future updates. Thanks for tuning in to check out this GPT-o1 review. If you found this helpful, or if you're just as excited as I am about the future of AI, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about the new GPT-o1 model. Until next time, stay curious and stay smart.